is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. I like the way you pull my hair. Baby, if I don't feel it, I ain't faking, no. Oh, no. I like when you tell me kiss your hair. I like when you tell me move it there.
Another day, another vlog, another day, another vlogs. Hi Hans, if it's the first time seeing this pretty face, hi, this is Upi. Welcome to the returning, the loyal, the babes, the lovers, the Huns and Huns. Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're good too, because I'm good. Thank you so much for your love, for your continuous support, guys. Like sometimes I've been gonna YouTube, but you guys still watch because of the love you have for me. Unconditional love. Thank you so much. So if you have not yet subscribed, please don't leave this channel without subscribing. It's late. I was supposed to be at the gym by 5:30, but it's 25 to 6. So I'm off to the gym. Normally in the figure I have 5 at gym, and then we'll have 7. Have 5, have 6. It's 2 hours, but I am late. Anyway, I wait. It's not like it's about fitting a mini one. So today it's Wednesday, so I was like, you know what? I'm internet gym again. If you get a nan is about fit automatically because good gym and gym see family most like we are one. So the gym nan. So I'm off to the gym. I'm not sure about vlogging at the gym because guys like gym like and Sibanins. And if ever I was not lazy, I was supposed to go a minute because the M17 currently is chasing 1. But don't lazy, I'll pay as soon as I was like, Monday go pass a schedule some Monday or 5. So I'm not sure about the content at the gym, but I'll try my best. But I'm not promising anything. So let's get going. It's a journey. I love humble. It's a journey. It's a journey. I love humble. It's a journey. I know I'm so let's go guys to the gym. We sell this to Galosan. Dila girl. I know. I see where's Galosan. Yeah. I'm not doing money so
for sure. And I was on my knees with a party, I was praying. Oh Lord.
I think we're kind of done with this one.
I think 7:15 and Kakadlambi. My family is passing by here. Maybe for around 6. But basendleleni. I'm like, okay, let me wait for them. Because they are driving to Joburg to a funeral. Excuse me. And then I waited the whole 1 hour 15 minutes. So I'm gonna be late because they want to see the car. They want to see the car. So kuningi. So yeah, I'm so excited though, very excited to see them. I'm sure abanye zibinqanda babona because they're from my grandmother's side, mama katata. So I'm so excited. I'm taking a lot of things I bought. So I think balahlekile because we supplementally we besithi bangasesecure 88 and we told them bama behla straight. We arrived first. Halanto. Hayo akacha. Kangba se joke. Yo, hayi khale. Samile.
Yabona into ebalulekileyo ngokuwena nothi umona newuphelete ebantwana bathenga
engaphezulu
nomona sozibe ndawo ucinga and uvela uthi yabona ke ngo dadwe izinto eqhubeleka nje zawuthi chu nincedisane
ndiphelelwe mna
hayi kodwa uphelelwe no hayi no soziqabele entabeni bakwana sikalo abhetele qini
nami sendithembe yena izindlu ziyanetha
ngoba sikela ke nansi bazophangela baba phangela
uthe
nasikelo tambo sesina umphako
hayi ke
nahamba kahle ke
siyabona
sawusebenza ngomso
bekucima ngomgqibelo
hayi ngo-7 iyaqala ngo-10 iyaphela
ngibonile 7 athi hayi kusegoli nyani hayi kusegoli nyani
hayi ke
okay ke bethi nanhlale kamanzi
Okay.
alright
Hayi ke kulungile.
siyabulela okay
I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business coming out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest. Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. what you crying for. I'm moving stuff, it's calling on my favorite hoe. How to reach me every time and it plays in my words of the night, we committed a crime.
Night, Basano. I know I'll be ready for you. And I know, yes, I know we can special. I know we can special. So now it's a Friday, guys. Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to another day. Welcome to another day of the vlog. So today it's a Friday. Send Pumile emsebenzini. So the weather is so perfect. The weather is so perfect. It's raining. Like there's a weather. Like in bed. And then if you go now you cuddle, watch Netflix, you catch up, you know that mood. I do that. I do that because I do that. So it's a Friday. I don't have plans. I'm just craving some pizza and wine, guys. I haven't been eating clean ever since I started gym, and that's a bad thing because it's thick, of which I don't want that. I just want to lose weight first, and then you know, so yeah. But the aim is to start eating clean next week. So next week I want to try out the 75 hard. Yes, I want to try out the 75 days hard challenge. I get to say because I want to like lose weight. So I want to lose weight. So go they say up your book. I want to buy some pizza guys. 100 over 10. Pizza yabo 100 over 10. So nalelanga liphuma. Whether lapha guys I say Alvin kunethi sichi for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes liphuma ilanga njengoba ngoku ndiyatsha langa kunelanga ngoku. So ndi-order pizza and then ndizodlula eSpar, buy some wine, and then ndizodlula eSpar, buy some wine and water. No, can you find a bottle in? Also, I'll go home, take bottle as a man, buy water and buy some wine, ketchup, and hi, Real Housewives of Durban today. Tibukele zona. And then get ready for gym, go 5. One day I'm in the gym, go 5. Then come back, have my pizza and my wine and unwind. Honestly, there's nothing I'm unwinding, but just an excuse your band did balls, you know. So I'm gonna just like hold to alcohol, dissolve occasionally. Yeah. And also we're planning to go a car wash nechomiam this weekend, but in because I think I don't know, but I'll hear from her. But she's planning a car wash because Sana Utalam is very dirty. More special in the inside. Like guys, yo gitengi nama hloni. Wesizolongoko bewobona ngumakhulu mntamkhulu wamsana. Oh my god. Bengathi uhlala engcotha amavila ske abomvu ngqona hayi scam. Okay, let me stop rambling. Order pizza. Better man from for 15 to 20 minutes. Bendiphume phana ngo 1:30. So ngokuzobetha uthi. I think that's the time. Let me check. Oh yeah, because it's 10 to 2. So let me go and collect my pizza. So I'll go with you. What's happening here?
Always on the lowest, but if you keep it, ain't nobody knows you. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows thinking I'm a robot. Time so changed that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I can bored. Fucking we ain't making love no more. You took that talk, but he don't match a with. So strong with me. Whatever you need, don't call me. I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out, you do the violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'm
talking about, son, I keep the quiet. Even though I don't ski on the lowest of the lows. But I think you can keep that, ain't nobody knows. You don't ski on the lowest of the lows. But I think you can keep that, ain't nobody knows.
Real shit.
Yeah.
Don't make me cry, say.
Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin. You my treacherous little twin, you my twin. You my treacherous little twin. Yeah. Fuck what they say, fuck what they, fuck what they, fuck what they say. 500 million on the face, feel like KK. And I know the city that we from.
What are you doing?
But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. Used to have nothing till our days feel like great days. Always kept me on, umbrella dog when the rain came. Tell me you want something, same. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. Was always on go for the drama dog. I would toe take something for your mama dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma dog. You say you a dog, they roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah, you my twin. You my twin, you my treasure,
So proud of
treasure, still twin, you my twin, but when I need a friend, only friend.
Who can I depend on like you knowing? What?
My friend, ndisukothenga i-super glue. Ndiyaqala uyibona ke le, ndiyaqala uyibona. Ndinehlangu uphasana zeziqantshu ke. One thing about utata uMaxabiso, ihlangu zakhe very cute, but yay, I think ziyafana no-rage sana. Funeka uzisondele xa uzinxibe xa sowusondele kule ndawo enomcimbi. Zintle ihlangu zakotata uMaxabiso, but indlela eziqantshuka ngayo sana leyana yaqontshuka ndiyena egeyithini. Ndandingekabi namoto yokuqala, yaba itransport seyimkile sana. Ndandinxibe isihlangu esinoma kwenye icala ndinxibe ujipsi ndandisirhuqa. Because one thing about Tata Maxabiso, isihlangu zakhe very cute, but yeah, asana equality. But ke nemali, you know, ziyafana nje kwa-rage. Kwa-rage nazo funeka uzinxibele kufitshane nale ndawo izoba nomcimbi sana, otherwise uyawufika uhamba ngeenyawo. So yeah, and also I want to fix let me show you Nolando phone holder. Iphukile sana. That's a China. Then the order is Shein. Iphukile. So say what? Yeah. I'm gonna try and fix it. Hopefully it's gonna work because I'm not good ordering any because ayikho enye andiziphinda ndibhatalele i-courier mna because azikho ezinto apha zise-take a lot and andiziphinda and-order. The only time ndizo-order it's when order nezinye izinto because I'm not tripod honestly. And now i-ring light yam iphukile asalight kakuhle. Like kuningi man into yale content iyapatyalaka. That's why sometimes I just feel like I'm forcing matters. These are the signs zobana nama ndimiyeke kwalo YouTube because sana kwakunini ngoku. I think this is the 4th year. The first time I started YouTube it was 2021. Then Nangoiswa ngumfana. So I wanted something to keep my mind busy and ndikendabe ndiyithanda content, so it was a great idea. But hayibo kaloku mayibukelwe, it must pay, you know, because uthatha content guys, it's not a problem. Uthatha content guys, it's not a problem. A problem it's editing. The danger is in editing. That's what I mean, ndiyasweater. Let's go home. morning, my dolls. Good morning, besties. Good morning, BFM. Good morning. It's another day of the vlog. So today it's Saturday. I think it was past 10. It's a very beautiful morning. Beautiful day to be alive. So I'm busy with my makeup now. I'm invited to Lobola celebration. Yes. Pova and invite we invited Chomiam, and then Chomiam is on a +1, you know. So I'm going there. So I'm gonna have a man condense face bit, guys. Ever since I started gym, open my faggy makeup. I don't know, no one was now going to share because one thing about share, they are fan animate, if you no practice the orc, if you no learn the orc, they are fan animates. Once in share. So I'm gonna do that face bit. I just wanna look good. And also if theme traditional wear. Guys, one thing about me, I don't have imi back and all that because Andy manual. So Andy nami back. So I'll just wear alone now. So yeah, I don't think I'll do a good read with me because I'm already late. I'm also having breakfast and fika emzini abantu so lambile and indlala ingcwangu. So I'm having breakfast while doing my makeup. So I think I'll see you you know. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi. Have a beautiful day. I hope you still love and enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't skip ads.
Spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
Rip, body, crib, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Perry or go sailing on the Central West?
Hello my dolls. Sana kungona ndihambayo ixesha ngo-12. Ndinikeni award sana yokuba late. Asirongo nechumam. Last time safika sasimenywe kulomzi again. Safika late sana sesingenandawo hlala into ehlebisayo into ethile guys like I am so late but at least ngimuhle at least ngimuhle iphazanyiswa ngumeza ke sana but at least ndimhle ixesha ngo-12. I am so late guys. Akhange ndizibona iintsimbi zam naked ndinje anantsimbi ananex yo guys ndifake newash anamacici like kuningi like I need to invest on a traditional wear. So mandihambe guys before I get late. Pray with me ndihambe ndiyofika kakuhle phana because guys delayed but let's get going. I love you so much. Masambeni, send Lobolis. Oh, it's a celebration. Actually, so it's a celebration. So Masam, yo, and is caught. Guys, ndimhle. Like sukuma mkambak bone. Ndimhle guys, ndimhle. Abafana ndazi why bengayiboni le nto ndiyibonayo. Sathana mayekudlanga abanye abantwana Thixo makatyhila amehlo wabo babone nankumfazi
in my vision, yeah. You can spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
There's abantu ki-content. Kube ngathi ngumama xa somisa aba-7 xa uthi once uthi yamfota nje seyimisa 7 mama you
I kinda love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body.
3 weeks now. And the chomiam guys. Engenza umuntu. uyathanda ukuncamisa Peto qho uyancamisa uyathanda ukuncamisa sema ne-content creator encinci hi iza udiki uyagaleza udika guys u-Asia nansi content creator encinci udiki hello everyone udiki awudika ithi hi njani. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Please don't like to comment and subscribe.
Yes, it's content creator, guys. Sisuka espa because kaloku ngana ndivula. Vula ke. Ayivuleka? Yeah. Sisuka espa. Apparently asikho late, guys. Si early sisuka espa sile kulaa ndawo izaba nomcimbi. Qha ke ngoku umcimbi uqale late because apparently kusanegotiatwa kungona kusanegotiatwayo so si early so we decided no masize espa kusenziwa nedeko xa masize apha sizothenga amanzi and then sizoya phana xa segqityiwe kwasana iqhiye because kaloku so okay asikho late. We are very early. We are very early. Kaiwa yami. Ngizabusela njani utywalwa yona ndiyabufuna. Naqhutyelwa ngubani itshovi ngenzisela utywalwa. Nenzele itiming kaloku. Uyilena driver uyashusha noshusha ndike driving. No ansemhle guys. No enjoy sawuswethela apha sana. And ke ukuseselangeni ayisusebenza indaba yena ye-aircon because aphuma ushishi. Yeah, go try it. Look up and babe. So this is us. Make up yam dinner bila no ila kesa na isi shop here na sasi. But anyway, wait. It's a little cute. It can't get next accent one.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. Write it out for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Feed the Glock party, holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me, yeah. When I'm running low, will you still cover for me? Your best to make me feel lovely. When I go, will you still think of me? I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential.
We're happy. We're happy. Hayi ndokufika. Utshilo sigqibofika asi. We're happy. Akabonakale happy nyani. Uhamba imicimbi emingaka uzawutshata wena.
My interest, talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance. I could see it. I'm not trying to be out my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it open, my honey. 'Cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got
Chata wena chu. Yo ayisanu asingathi queen. Yes, girl.
Siyipheka mna ndiyithanda xa iphekiwe ndixelele.
Yeah, can say ma.
Hey guys.
Sure.
Lobola yami.
You pick it later.
You have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. Oh, if it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. 'Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come and hold you down. Be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. 'Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your baby, come and share my world. It's been so long since I've just been everything you've ever wanted, baby. Your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart. 'Cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. Let me raise your feet. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I'll be your homie. Be your girl. Oh, something that you need, baby, come and share my world. Share my world. Something that you want, take a walk with me. Walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Oh, something that you want, make me your girl, baby. Baby, I got what you need, come share my world. Only me and
go.